Moto GP is the most elite level of motorcycle racing. $1 million bikes pushed to the limit by $1 million riders. To dream of racing in Moto GP is to dream of the impossible. Until now. I bought a mini Moto GP bike. There's just one huge problem. It's gas. No! So before I convert it to electric, let's see how it runs out of the box. Dude, look how sick this is! It doesn't take normal gas, it takes race fuel. But I got some. Smells so good. Jeez! Fully charged. Should I pull the thingy? That shit bounces back, it hurts. But there's only so, oh, the kill switch. Dude, I remember when it came off during assembly and I was like, I'll get it back. I pulled it out. I hope that's how it works. Am I blowing it right now? Let's go, come on. This thing's fast. Holy shit, I haven't even changed gears yet. Oh. What the? I went up in a gear, but it sounds like I went down. Oh, so I'm in neutral. Neutral's at the top. So I've been in the highest gear this whole time. So you gotta shift down to shift up. Oh man, as if it wasn't hard enough already. I think I'm redlining right now. Dude, this is so sick. I actually don't want to convert it to electric. Can you keep up?
You're doing like 60 or 65 on that.
Yeah, it feels like 60 or 65. Oh, shit. Oh,
we're burning oil.
Oh, shit. Oh, shit.
Oh,
we're leaking. We're smoking. There's so much oil. I blew something. Bro, look at the fender. It's all over the tire. So what do you do when this happens?
Usually get towed.
I blew up the gas motor. It can't handle me. It's time to convert this bike to electric, but that's not easy. Sourcing parts that work together and fit the bike is complicated. And if I make a mistake, it could be more than just the motor blowing up. So I found a solution. This is the brand new drop-in 72 volt from death to gas. It's one of the coolest company names ever. It's the first complete electric motor system designed to bolt onto almost any gas bike between 50 and 200 cc's. It needs no programming, no soldering, and no welding. It's a one-piece, turnkey, bolt-on system that will convert almost any gas bike to electric. That looks so cool. The Mini GP bike is fully converted to electric using the Death to Gas 72 volt drop-in kit. Let's give it a quick test before we take it to the track. Sheesh, look how nice that is. I'm gonna put it straight into the highest power mode. How cool is this? It just looks so cool. What is cooler than one Mini GP bike? Two Mini GP bikes. We are at the racetrack. I'm dripping in Moto GP gear. Kevlar race suit, boots. I got carbon fiber gloves over there, all from Andromeda Moto. Thank you to Andromeda Moto for supporting this channel, but keeping me protected. We've got a professional instructor here, Young, to teach us how to drag knee. The bike just got a 30% power upgrade. Should be able to pop wheelies now. We are now downtown with two Death to Gas Mini GP bikes turned up to their fullest, highest power. I'm dripping again in the gear. Shout out Andromeda. Let's get it. Okay, man. I got a headlight now and a tail light. Good for the street. We're out. Come on, how badass do we look? So is this the first time you've ridden dirty in the street? Yeah. It's funny, I always thought gear doesn't make you feel as cool, but I feel super cool geared up right now. This bike's fast. And it feels really good going fast. It feels like it should be going fast. The geometry, very solid. The regen sounds so cool too. I wanted to go to this specific road because we ride it all the time on the surrons, but now I can actually hit these turns. It's so much cooler having someone else on the same bike. The turns feel so good. Here we go, top speed run. Semi-tucked. A little bit downhill. It's a 74 on the screen. If I were to guess, I'd say 65 to 68. Ever since they added more power to it though, I've been much happier with the performance. It felt a little underwhelming originally. Now it's definitely whelming. Look at you riding downtown, come on.
I wouldn't do this. I feel better with you here guiding me.
Another thought about this setup, it's so modern, it's so new. Why does it have a cable throttle? It should have an electric throttle. Yeah, this bike's so easy to lane split. Cops are the one type of cop I'm not trying to run into right now, so I don't think he sees me just yet. Be on your way, good sir. Let's go, full throttle across the same bridge that blew the gas motor. Am I going as fast as the gas motor? It feels almost exactly the same speed. Yeah, look how cool he looks. This is definitely a keeper for me. Until they make something faster, this is my designated mini GP bike for sure. It's a new category. I didn't even know this didn't even exist a couple weeks ago. Let's turn right. Oh, my thing turned off. No way. No way, it just turned off. Wait, that's crazy, dude. This is exactly where the gas one blew up. It made it to the end of the bridge just like the gas one, but neither of them were able to roll away. This bridge has gone undefeated. You think you can come pick us up?
Sounds good.
Sweet. See ya.
A few moments later.
Right.
It's the same in the e-bike space. Oh, see, look, my lights just came back on. Whoa! How does that happen? Was it hot? Ooh, it's hella hot. Oh! Yep, it overheated. Electric bikes do not like getting pinned like that. Overall, I am obsessed with this bike. But there's two things here. There's the bike and the kit. The bike, I don't have to say anything. Obviously, it's super cool and it rides really well. The kit is also a big deal. It's the first one-piece kit that will convert almost any gas bike, like any Facebook Marketplace bike between 50 and 200 cc's. A death-to-gas kit will fit, and it's only 2 bolts to mount the entire thing. It's usually 4 bolts just to mount the motor, and this is 2 bolts for the motor and everything else. Shout out to M1 GP for training me how to drag knee, and thank you to Andromeda Moto for keeping me protected. And as always, thank you so much for watching until the end.